Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 11th, 2024, and we're diving deep into the NZDUSD pair, examining both the recent news and the charts. Recent headlines indicate a mixed market sentiment, with some sources pointing to potential bearish pressure due to concerns about global inflation and others suggesting bullish potential based on improving economic indicators in New Zealand. Let's start by looking at the daily chart for NZDUSD. Notice the recent price action, which shows a period of consolidation after a previous uptrend. This consolidation suggests indecision in the market, with buyers and sellers battling for control. The volume during this consolidation period is relatively low, which could indicate a period of low volatility before a potential breakout. Now, let's narrow our focus to the past week of the daily chart. Here we observe a slight downward trend with increased volume. This increased volume suggests that the recent price drop may be more significant than the previous low-volume consolidation. The price has tested the support level near 0.6100. A break below this level could signal further bearish pressure. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see a more detailed picture of the recent price fluctuations. The hourly chart shows some short-term fluctuations that may offer opportunities for intraday traders. However, the overall trend still appears bearish in the short term. Let's examine a specific period of volatility on the 15-minute chart. This will allow us to pinpoint potential support and resistance levels within the recent price movements. We can analyze the candlestick patterns, such as hammers or dojis, for further confirmation of trend reversals. The candlestick data combined with volume analysis will help us to identify potential buy and sell signals. However, it is important to be aware of the risk of whipsaws or false signals. Therefore, we need to focus our attention on how the current situation changes. Based on our analysis of the news and the charts, we observe that the NZDUSD pair is currently experiencing a period of uncertainty. There are both bullish and bearish arguments. Therefore, we must make a risk-reward decision. In the short term, there is a possibility of a price drop below 0.6100, but this will likely depend on what occurs in the global market. In the long term, the overall outlook for the pair depends on whether the bullish arguments can sustain themselves against the bearish pressures. We must pay attention to changes in volume and price action. A break above the recent resistance at 0.6200 would suggest a shift towards a bullish trend. Similarly, a break below the support at 0.6100 would signal continued bearish momentum. Key price levels to watch are the support level around 0.6100 and the resistance level around 0.6200. The likelihood of these scenarios depends heavily on various economic indicators and news events. For instance, if global inflation shows signs of easing, that could create stronger support for the NZDUSD.